In this demonstration, we will show the application of the spring hinge clamping tool on a plastic frame. Notice that once the temple has been stretched open, the hinge extends from its sheath. We will use this in conjunction with the spring hinge clamp. The clamp has a self-locking mechanism with 3 varying levels of clamping pressure. Once it's locked, it remains firmly in place. With one hand, open the temple to expose the spring hinge. In the space you have created, insert the clamping tool and grip firmly. Depending upon the level of pressure you exert, there will be 1 to 3 clicks. A 4th click will release the clamping lock. Having locked the clamp with the spring hinge, remove the screw as you would normally do. The clamp will hold the spring hinge in place, thus preventing it from returning to its housing. The spring hinge temple can now be treated as a regular temple. Simply reinsert the temple barrel into the frame barrel using the self-closing tweezer and use a regular screw to secure. Once secured, stretch open the temple again to create space and remove the clamp by gripping firmly on the handle of the spring hinge. You should hear one last click from the clamp and the jaws will reopen, releasing the hinge from its grip.